everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you all my everyday makeup routine. 2 weeks ago I got asked if I could do it, and today's the day. I hope that you all like this video. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn your bell notification on to not miss a single post. And let's get started. So first, I honestly just move my hair out of my face. I don't really do anything, or I'm lying. I would say grab one of these scrunchies and I just kind of like hold it back, just put it in a little ponytail or bun. Usually I have my hair done, but today I'm not going anywhere, so I just put it back to make things work. So to get started, I have two bags. I have this bag and this bag. They're both from Rare Beauty, but this one I had bought with some products, and this one about a year ago I went to an event and I got this bag gifted to me. I'm opening up this bag here, which has a lot of my essential products, I would say. I have to prep my face. Of course, I'm gonna take these off in a few, but the first product that I grab is this hyaluronic acid serum. This serum is my go-to. I have already finished like 2 bottles of these. This is my third one, and this is what just moisturizes, like wets my face a little. For this step, I honestly just grab this droplet and put it on my face. I know some people say to not do that, but my face is fine, and yes, it does have a few acne marks and just spots on my face, but that's not from this. So typically this is what I do, put it around all my face. So after that, I don't waste no time. I jump right into sunscreen. The sunscreen that I'm almost done with is this one that I was gifted by. It's the Sun By Me sunscreen. Looks like this. But my all-time favorite sunscreen is one that I keep repurchasing. It's by Cosrx. This one is so good. It leaves no white cast. But for the purpose of this video, I'm also going to just go with this one since it's almost done. And this one also leaves no white cast, but I just make sure to apply it to my whole face. I even do my forehead, my chin, and my nose. After I'm done with those products, I kind of just let it sit a little bit, not too long, because I then have to go in with my primer. My ultimate favorite primer is this Milk Hydro Grip Primer. This primer is to die for. Like, I literally recommend to anyone that needs a little moisture, has dry skin, has combo skin. I have combination skin. During the winter, I usually tend to get more dry, but spring and summer, I get more on the oily side. And so I think any time of the year I can use this. So like I said, I don't wait too long. I'm just dabbing a little bit of primer onto this and then adding it to my forehead as well while we wait for it to dry, because after I check to see if it's tacky, I just work on my eyes and also put my eyebrow gel. It's usually when I go into this bag and I grab my Rare Beauty eyebrow gel and I just grab it and put it on top of my eyebrows. I need my mirror for this. So I just make sure to grab it, and this pops up, the gel. And I don't do anything else. I literally just add this gel to make it shape my eyebrows. So for my eyes, I usually add some color and match it to the outfit I'm wearing, but since today I'm not going out, I'm just recording this video, I'm gonna go in with this NYX Jumbo Pencil. It's like a highlighter. I usually go with this and put it in my inner corner. That way I could give it a little dimension, like a little pop. After that, I just go in with this eyelash curler and my favorite mascara that you can't even see what it is anymore. This is what it looks like. I get this from the Mexican store's best mascara that works with my lashes. And right here, I just curl it a few times. I don't spend too much time curling it because usually I'm in a rush, or usually I just prefer other parts of my face. And usually after my eyes, it's right when my primer is already tacky, like once you can feel it dried already, that's when I go in with my foundation or my skin tint and make sure to get all of my lashes. And I usually only do one coat. I feel like if I do two coats, it just gets so clumpy. So as long as they look somewhat up, I'm happy with that. I have been leaning with this Saie skin tint for like almost 2 years, I believe, or I would say like a year and a half. This is the skin tint that I use, and you can't tell the shade anymore, but this shade is in shade 5. For this one, I do like use a little bit just because I've tried putting a lot and it's just, I don't need a lot. I go in with this brush that's really good. This one is from Real Techniques. It's brush number 200. It doesn't have to hide any marks or anything because it's like lightweight to medium buildable coverage, but I wouldn't say it's full coverage just because it is a skin tint, and so you don't have to hide everything. I feel like it usually does well with my skin, and my skin really likes it. It also has sunscreen on top of that, so I never feel bad when I'm gonna put it. But I feel like during the winter it's also perfect because it's not like heavy on your face like how foundation sometimes makes people feel, and this feels perfect. I never add any to my nose because I wear glasses, so it's just gonna rub off. I used to, and then I just learned it's best not to. So the next thing I go with is this Rare Beauty bronzer stick. This one's in shade On the Horizon. It's this color right here. It looks a little dark, but I just think this one is best with my skin tone. I've tried other ones and they just don't look as good. I just usually like that nice like sun-kissed look. It also dries down really quickly, so I tend to just brush it and then fix it later. Next, I go in with my blush, and the blush that I use is one that my friend gave me, and I love it so much because it has blush and also highlight. It's this one from e.l.f. It's called the e.l.f. Halo Glow Stick, and this one is so good. I usually put a few dots. I just go kind of crazy with this one. I grab this other Real Techniques brush. This is in shade, not shade. This is the Real Techniques 204 brush. And this one, I feel like it's perfect for blush. And I love how fluffy it is and big. It's like the perfect size. It's so pink, and it adds that perfect highlight that's like not too much, but like definitely perfect for a little hint of like both blush and highlighter. I go in with my translucent One Size setting powder. This is my favorite powder. I've known nothing like this. This gives no flashback, and it's so good. It leaves your makeup feeling great, not cakey. This is what it looks like, if you can see. Y'all, it's my favorite. So for the first step, I usually dab it on my hand, and I go underneath my eye, and I just kind of set it there because that's the first spot that usually creases. I do the same thing to my under eye on this side. I go in with my forehead because, as you can see, my forehead is the shiniest, and as long as I do this, it becomes less shiny. And I also do it to my nose. After, I go in to my chin right here and up here. I also add it to this side just to clean it up a bit. So now you look very matte. And now we go on to setting spray. Whoa! Setting spray that I go with is this Morphe Jumbo Continuous Prep and Set Mist. And it's so big. That was a lot. I'm literally left looking wet, and so I just grab something that I have on the side and I just fan it to my face so it dries up quicker. And then I go in with another set of powder, which the same powder, but like another round to fully set it all in place. This time I go in here to make sure it's all set. And we are all set, I would say. You probably can't even tell where my blush went because it's basically gone. So I go in with my favorite powder blush. This one is, oh my god, it's so dirty. But this one is the Haus blush. It's in shade Hibiscus Haze. It's like a pink shade. I feel like I'm gonna be close to finishing it soon. It doesn't look that way, but it has sunken deep. So to me, it feels like it's gonna finish soon. So I kind of gently go over that, over my blush, and just add it on top. If you can see, like a little bit of pink has like appeared on my cheeks. I don't add too much, but I definitely go gently on it. As they say, a man isn't gonna make me blush because I'm already blushing. I heard that somewhere. I don't know, you know? Last step, a lip combo. So yeah, this is technically when I'm like clearly done. I have to take this out because couldn't handle seeing my hair looking that way. I'm gonna put my glasses on for this part because I'm a little bit blind and don't want to overline my lips the wrong way. So I'm gonna go in with, I have lots of lip liners. I don't always go with this brown one, but I'm gonna go in with a NYX lip liner. It's in the shade Cocoa. And the color is like this. So we are lining the lips. Oh my god, I already messed up. Why am I so bad at lining my lips right now? For some reason, my hand was shaky, and so they look a little bit messed up, but usually they look better. I mean, it doesn't look bad, but it could look better. So then I go in with this lip gloss. It's in shade Shifaya. So this is by Huda Beauty, and it's so cute because this is really, really, really sparkly. This does not show it justice, but this color is so pretty. I'm just like, Huda Beauty, if you're ever watching this and you need a lip girl model, count me in because I am all for the look of a good lip gloss. Ooh, my hair look good right now. That is it. Wow, we did it. That is the makeup look. I just look too fire right now. I can't understand why I'm not going out, but it's also a Monday night and I'm not gonna go out. I don't have anywhere to go, but if I had a date, then maybe one day, you know. Maybe one day. But I do want to show you an up close of this look. This is what I look like. These are my eyes, and this is a lip combo. It's not showing you. I'm just literally feeling myself now. This is what she looks like. This is my everyday makeup routine, somewhat of like how it looks like. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you stay tuned for future makeup videos and vlogs. Thank you so much for requesting this video, and if you have any more video requests that I should do, definitely comment them down. Love you. Bye. See you next time.